Hello everyone, back with another episode of building your tower defense game. Today's going to be a quick one. We're just going to add some health bars and to show the amount of health visually on your game. So what you're first going to need is a couple different sprites here. So a green health bar and a red health bar. Those should be the exactly same uh, size, just different colors. Can name one the current health and one's the max health. Make sure each of those health bars have the behavior, the pin behavior. Okay. And then you're going to want to make sure that these health bars are in a container with your enemy. So click on your enemy, go over here to your properties, and go down to your container section, and just click add object and add these two health bars to your object, to your container, I should say. Okay. Then let's go over to your events. First thing you're going to want to do is add a global variable. So right click, add global variable. Name it enemy underscore max health. You want it to be the number, and you can put any value here, doesn't matter. Okay. Then you're going to want to go into under your enemy events and add an every tick in the system. So I'll show you system every tick. Then your add action is going to be current health bar, set width, and you're going to want to put this formula in there. So what this is doing is your enemy's health, so your enemy's variable of health divided by your enemy's max health, which is this global variable, times the max health bar, so the red health bar's width. So this is a formula to adjust the width of the health bar no matter how much hit points you give your enemy or how wide or how small your health bar is. This will always adjust it so that it's properly shrinking depending on how much health your enemy has. So use this formula. Then you're going to want to go down and set your positions of your health bars. So on created, set your max health bar to enemy 1 image point health bar. And when I say image point health bar, you need to create that if you haven't done so already by right clicking, clicking on add new image point, then go over to your new image point, right click on it, click rename, and change it to the name health bar. Once you did that, you set it up above your player, anywhere you want really, or you can set it anywhere, and you can always adjust it later, but we put it above so the health bar goes above the enemy when they're created. Then after you set its position to that new image point you just created, pin it to the enemy, and then move your max health bar behind the current health bar. You can do that by going to Z order, move to object behind your current health bar. I only do this because sometimes the max health bar is above the current health bar for some reason. It's probably something simple I'm doing wrong, but this ensures that it's always behind. Do the same thing for your on created for your current health bar. Set its position to the health bar image point on your enemy and pin it to the enemy. Then the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go down to your enemy on created, which you should have from the first episode, and you're going to want to add this to it. So enemy 1, set health variable to enemy max health. So when your enemy is created, it's going to take this global variable and set it in the health variable for your enemy. This ensures that it has the maximum amount of health every time it's created. And that's about it for the events and actions. Now all we have to do is pretty much run it and see what it looks like. Okay, we've got our play field. There's our health bar. And as the bullets hit that, it's reducing health from the enemy variable. Okay. And that formula is taking into account the max health and its current health, and it's setting these health bars accordingly. And that's about it. Next episode we'll touch on adding points, maybe adding a menu for different towers so we can subtract the cost from the points that we have. And then future episodes from there, maybe we'll hit some special weapons that you can place down in the path that will trip up the enemy or blow up on the enemy. And that's pretty much it for this one. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of more episodes. Sorry for this one being so short, but it really helps me if you subscribe. I'm looking to get over 1,000 subscribers. Take care. Leave comments below if you have any questions or concerns or have any opinions on how I can do these better. Take care. Bye.